today's home workout is a 10-minute at-home HIIT cardio. And as your qualified trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, you're in safe hands. So how it's going to work today, we're going to have a high impact version and a low impact. So you can choose. So this is suitable for the whole family. Everyone can get involved. You don't need any equipment. So we are going to be doing 10 moves, no repeaters. Each move we do for a duration of 40 seconds. Then we're going to take 20 seconds recovery where we focus on some nice deep breathing to really help improve our lung capacity, in which time then I'm also showing you the next move. So then we can go straight into that next move. All right, really simple. I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. We're going to start with 1 minute where we're just doing a warm up. So if you're ready, I'm ready. We're going to get started now. Okay, so for the first 60 seconds, it's actually just going to be a warm-up. So just give me a little toe tap. So what I want to do now is just warm up through those muscles and joints, all right? And this will just then help us get ready for doing the workout today. So this, I'm just showing one variation, and now just bring it to a little bit of a march and just circle through with those arms for me now. That's it. So we're just mobilizing your body and we're just increasing your core body temperature. And today's workout is all about me just getting you as healthy and fit as I can. So now just bring the arm in front. So now we're just really mobilizing through those joints. Just go from one side to the other. All right, that's good. Just keep that going. So it's going to be quite a tough workout. I'm going to show you a hard version and an easy one. So just work to the intensity that suits you. So what I want you to do now, you carry on marching. Let me just show you what exercise number 1 is going to be. So we're simply going to do a basic squat. Then we're going to come to a kick. Basic squat to kick, and we're doing that for a duration of 40 seconds. So let's come into position. Remember, I'm also going to show an easier move. Let's go 3, 2, 1. So now take that to that squat for me. Come up and kick. Squat that down and kick. Now, key thing when you're doing those squats is don't let the knees come over the line of your toes. Good little tip is try and keep your toes slightly lifted. That just ensures you're keeping all the weight through the back of the legs. So we're not putting any pressure on those knee joints. That's good. And give me that kick. So squat and kick. And remember, if you don't like doing squats, follow the alternative on the other side. Give me 10 more seconds. So deep squat and add that kick. Deep squat, add the kick. That's good. All right. So I want you to now march. Take a really nice deep breath in, deep breath out. You carry on doing that. Let me show you the next move. So what we're going to be doing, we do 4 punches, then we're going to do 4 mini squats, then straight back to 4 punches. So let's get ready. Starting 4 punches. 3, 2, 1. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump it 1. Go 2, 3, and 4. 4 punches. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump it 1. Go 2, 3, and 4. Punch it 1, 2, 3, 4. And again 4. Take it 3, 2, and 1. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go 2, 3, and 4. If you want to work it harder, punch it higher. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump it 4. Go 3, 2, and 1. 4 punches. 2, 1, and jump 1. Let's go 2, 3, and 4. All right, so march that out. You focus on that deep breathing. Let me just show you the next move. So the next one, we're going to just imagine we're running up a ladder. All right. So again, deep breath in, deep breath out. All right, let's go for it. 40 seconds. So do these ladder runs. So just imagine now you are climbing up that ladder for me. Keeping that going. That's good. Remember, if you don't want the high impact, you simply follow on the other side. That's it. Try and focus on landing as softly as you can with the feet. That's it. Keeping that going. All right, give me another 10 seconds. So doing those ladder runs. And then I'm just going to take that straight back to your march. All right, march out, deep breathing, deep breath in, deep breath out. So you carry on, focus on those deep breaths, deep breath out. So next one, we're going to hop then we kick. We hop, then kick, hop, then kick. All right, so let's get ready. Come into position, so hop it over, give me a kick, and hop, give me a kick, hop, and kick. That's it, keeping that going. So powerful jump, this does so much. Works your balance. Let's test mine, and let's just keep that going. Give me that kick, jump, and give me that kick. So jump and kick, jump it, kick it, jump it, and kick. That's good. All right, stick with me, doing well. Really nice, powerful jump, strong kick, jump it and kick, jump, kick. That's good. Nearly went. And let's go. A few more seconds, side, kick, and then march it out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. All right, that's good. Well done. So flying through this workout, you watch the next one. This time now, arms in front. You're gonna reach the inside the heel, come up to the other 4 punches, then straight back down. So wide stance, tummy in, and reach that hand down, come up to the center, take it to the other side, give me 4 punches across, reach it down, come up, reach that down, and 4 across, 4, 3, 2, 1, take it down, up, down, 4 punches, 4, 3, 2, 1, reach that down, and back. That's good, keeping that going, doing really well. All right, well done. Squat that down, coming up. Remember, keep those knees behind the line of those toes. And again, squat low. You're aiming to touch inside the heel and finish. 4 power punches for me. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You march it out, 20 seconds. Right, so the next move, let me just show you. We are doing what's called a Spotty dog. No idea why it's called that, but let's get ready. Okay, let's go 3, 2, 1. So this is the move. Keeping that going. 40 seconds. Oh, I've got a cat attacking something. All right, that's good. Doing well. All right, that's good. So again, powerful move here. Keep those core muscles pulled in tight. Just 10 minutes today, but it is going to make such a difference to your health. We're making you really fit and strong. All right, that's good. You've got less than 10 seconds to go. Let's keep that going. And let's get ready. Last few. All right, and we are nearly done. And now, march it out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. That's it. This is your 20 seconds of recovery and focus on good posture. Deep breathing. So next move, you're in a little squat. You're going to step across and jump. Imagine you are playing netball. All right, so let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Jump it over. Add that jump. Step it over, sorry. Add the jump. Step, jump. Step it low, add the jump. So you can make this as hard as you want. If you want to go really low, jump really high. All right, that's it. And of course, if you don't like doing any of the jumps, you follow on the other side and you do the low impact because they're still tough. But at the end of the day, fitness isn't a competition with anyone else. It's just about you being your best. All right, jump it up and it's about keep moving, doing really well. Jump, land softly. All right, march it out for me. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Nice control. Remember, this is your chance for recovery. Let me show you the next one. We take a big jump in front, then shuffle back. Jump, shuffle back, okay? So let's go 3, 2, 1. Give me that jump and now shuffle back. Depending how much room you've got, you can really now jump, nice big jump in front, shuffle back, that jump, shuffle it back. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So we're adding what these moves are called plyometric moves. These high explosive jumping moves. Keeping that going. Add that jump, land softly, shuffle it back. Again, jump, shuffle, nearly finished. Jump it and shuffle that back. Deep breath in, deep breath out. All right, that's good. So let me just show you now while you're doing those really deep breaths. Remember, deep breath in through the nose and a really deep breath out through the mouth. And the next one we're simply going to do a skater's lunge. All right, so go 3, 2, 1. So jump it across from one side to the other. Take that foot back. It's one of my favorite moves, but this is so good. He's now working every single muscle in your body. If you want to make it harder, take it down. Go down, down. That's good. Doing really well. Keep going. We're in this together. I'm here as your trainer. I'm going to get you as fit as I possibly can. All right, that's good. Give me another 10 seconds. Deep move, nice control. All right, that's good. Last little bit. And now, bring that back to a march for me. Circle through those shoulders. It's a really tough one, but the good news is we're nearly finished. All right, so next one is a crisscross jump for 2 and a straight leg kick. All right, so let's go 1, 2, straight leg kick. Go 1, 2, straight leg kick. 1, 2, straight leg kick. And 2, straight leg kick. 2, and go 1, and 2, straight leg. 1, and 2, straight leg. 1, 2, straight leg. 1, and 2. Is it hard on coordination? And 2. And nearly done. Let's keep going to the end. We don't quit, even though my coordination is all over the place. Wowee. All right, deep breath in, deep breath out. All right, you know, literally, this is just 10 minutes. I'm just going to show you how much I am sweating there. Really good. All right, so let's circle through those arms. So stay with me now. So I want to slowly start bringing your heart rate back down. Deep breath in, deep breath out. That's good. All right, well done. Okay, so what we're going to do is just release those arms to the side, drop them down. So this workout is all about you being the fittest version of yourself, all right? And what I really wanted to do today was focus on 2 things. Well, a lot more than 2 really. I wanted to focus on your heart, making that strong. I also wanted to focus on building your lung capacity by doing those nice big deep breaths. All right, so march it out. Just give me a tiny, tiny little toe tap from side to side. We're going to start getting that heart rate down. And what you can do, if you're staying at home at the moment, this is a really nice workout. Do it in the morning, then do it in the afternoon, because it is going to rev up your energy levels so much. You're going to feel so good afterwards. So, you know, I always do this. Here is your super sweaty high five. And if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, come and find me on Instagram, social media, Facebook. Let me know in the comments if there's more workouts you'd like this, and don't forget to subscribe and click up here to now come and do that full cool down stretch with me right now.